In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show all text in an Excel cell. Sometimes you type a long sentence or a detailed note into a cell, and only part of it is visible. Maybe it looks like the text is cut off, or it spills over into the next cell and gets hidden when you type something there. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the simplest ways to make sure every bit of your text is clearly visible without losing any information. Let's start with the most common and easiest method, which is using wrap text. First, click on the cell, or select the range of cells that contains the text you want to fully display. Then, look up at the top of Excel on the Home tab. In the Alignment section, you'll see a button called Wrap Text. Go ahead and click that. As soon as you do, Excel will automatically wrap the text onto multiple lines inside the same cell, instead of it running off to the side. This doesn't change your data. It just changes how it's displayed. Now, you might notice that after wrapping the text, the row height doesn't always update perfectly. To fix that, position your mouse on the bottom edge of the row number on the left side. When your cursor changes to a double-headed arrow, double-click. This is called Auto Fit Row Height. Excel will automatically resize the row so that all the wrapped text fits and is visible. You can do the same thing for a column by double-clicking the right edge of the column letter at the top to auto-fit. The column width. If you prefer to adjust things manually, you can click and drag the row boundary to make it taller or shorter until the text looks the way you want. The same goes for columns. Click and drag the column boundary to give your text more room horizontally. This is helpful if you want fewer line breaks and a cleaner look. Another useful tip is to check the alignment options. With your cell selected, you can set the text to align at the top, middle, or bottom of the cell so it looks consistent across your sheet. This doesn't affect visibility, but it does make your layout more readable. By combining wrap text with AutoFit and a few alignment tweaks, you can quickly make sure all the text in your Excel cells is visible, easy to read, and neatly organized.